Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, December 9th, and it has been raining since about 2 a.m. this morning. It's a light drizzle now. These guys are still working. They're doing some stuff inside, and it looks like they're actually working on our storage area. And the wall looks a little moist still from yesterday. I mean, it rained pretty good earlier. But anyways, let's go take a look at what is going on for the day. All right, there is the wall. They finished the one side. They were gonna put rubber coating on today, but it's not going to happen. It's so wet. It looks like it's fresh, but you can see they are staying dry and doing stuff inside today on the first floor, finishing up these hollow blocks. The storage area looks like they're working on, and not sure what else they got going on. Maybe they're working up top, but it looks like everybody is inside. And these guys are mixing up just a regular old batch of plaster, but maybe they're gonna plaster some of the walls on the inside of this first floor. All right, so these guys are finishing up the hollow blocks for the wall. Looks like they're getting the mixer ready. And we have a nice drip from the floor drain right up there from the top. And we have, it's a tight fit with everybody in here. They started working on those hollow blocks already. And those hollow blocks are going in. And myself and the foreman are going over the setup of this lower area. This actually is going to be unfinished. We're gonna concrete this area. Isel was saying she was going to leave it dirt, but I said no, we gotta concrete it in. I don't want dirt in here. A lot of other stuff going on. Like they are going to plaster these inner walls. Well, since we weren't really completely ready for this area to be done for plastering, Isel is going along with the foreman, trying to figure out where all the electrical outlets are going in on this wall. So they're marking them and setting them for future date. They'll put in the outlets and stuff on the wall as they go along, but I'm sure this wall will be done by the end of today, and they'll probably move on to another wall. But I noticed Isel was over here with the foreman marking up on this wall too. So instead of chipping, they have a hammer drill. Actually, really good with that. A lot of the guys would rather chip so they don't get so dirty. All right, it is afternoon. The rain has finally stopped, so they still just working inside, which is good. Gotten what they can. They left this section out because we got some wires running through here and stuff. This wall is done. We got this wall done. And this wall is almost done. This one is about halfway done. Actually, just messaged Isel. She's actually right now taking tests for De La Salle, and thought there was going to be electrical outlets and stuff going on in this wall and in this wall. I know they had marked a few over here on this side of the wall. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. And then the inner wall, I know there's going to be, but they ain't going to do anything with this one yet. But anyways, let's look around inside. All right, and this is what they got going on inside. So they have some PVC. They put some PVC up there so they can run them in between everywhere. Gonna be a window here. And these guys are working on stuff over here. I know there's electrical and plumbing and all kinds of crazy stuff going on in here. This is sort of going to be the heart of the house with water and all the sub-meters and stuff is going to be in this area. So I gotta find out what's going on with this. And of course you can see they're putting in this wall next to the stairs, and they took all the forms off the stairs now. Alright, and the guys are cleaning out stuff, and they're about to start building the wall for the bathroom right now. So it's going to be all done by the end of the day. The bathroom section will be. And let's just take a step outside and look what's going on here. So, enclosing the stairs now. Alright, so we're going to walk up the stairs since there's no forms on them and see how they look. I know there's some work that needs to be done on them, but not too bad. That's about it. Only bad thing is taking the forms off and the rebar that was on the edge. Now might have a little issue depending on what we drag up the stairs or what they drag up the stairs. If the edge gets broken down a little bit. But I don't think anything happened up here. Now the guys are working all downstairs. Some sand mixed up ready from yesterday, it looks like. It's all spread out. Oh, and Foreman is working on some plumbing right now, it looks like. Maybe that's what he's got going on up here. Yes, this is all new. They didn't do this yesterday. This is today's doings, since it stopped raining a little while ago. Alright, and since the weather's better, these guys are putting up more scaffolding on this side. So I'm not sure if they're going to plaster or if they're just going to get things ready for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes, because we still have that coming our way, which is more rain. And we got some extra stuff going on. They started putting the hollow blocks in for the bathroom wall. So they're using up the last of our 4-inch blocks. I'm hoping we'll have enough to get it all the way to the top, because it's a full shot all the way across back here. So I'm not sure, and that's what we have for hollow blocks. So We'll see how far we get. I think we might be a little bit short with hollow blocks. That never-ending mixing. They like doing it by hand for this mix. Their plaster coat, it looks like. When they use the sand for the hollow blocks, they use the mixer. All right, good morning, everybody. Today's December 10th, a Saturday. A very, very rainy day. It's been raining since like midnight or so. You can hear behind me, or see behind me, there's water coming down from the drains up above. So the guys are not working today because they put all the scaffolding yesterday when it stopped raining outside. I'm sure you guys seen it on the video before this part. But anyways, I'm just gonna do a quick little video, I guess you could say. All right, as I showed you before, they were working on this. They only had one hollow block done, and this is what they got done after I left. And there's our rain. I know the bucket's sort of almost useless at this point since it's full. We got rain coming down the drains everywhere. This area is gonna be, gonna be open underneath these stairs. So was gonna have some built-ins put in. And here's the little bathroom area. Sort of dark outside. Everything is dark. We have no lighting. And this is pretty much almost the level that the floor is going to be. They moved around some stuff. I know they have to pull the boards off. I'm sure Monday they will take it off. Most of the scaffolding is outside except for these two sets. Anyways, walk around a little bit. Our pond is full, but not overflowing yet. And here is the wall. It's actually the main water for down here, and that's feeding the upper 2 bedrooms, 2 rooms up above. So we're actually hoping that they could do some more work in here today. I mean, they have some stuff, but the problem is he doesn't have enough work for all 10 workers in here, and he's worried about a little bit of jealousy, so they're not working at all. The foreman is working though. Other than that, no one else is. But we came over to give them their pay for the week so they all can go home and enjoy this rainy day. All right, everybody, I hope you all enjoyed our video. I think it's going to be a little bit short, but give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you for watching. And as always, goodbye.